What's the meaning of clunker? Clunker. Clunker.
Clunker. Clunker. The term clunker typically refers to an old, poorly maintained vehicle that is in bad condition and may not run well. Clunkers are often noisy and emit large amounts of pollution, and they may be unreliable or unsafe to drive. In some cases, the term may also be used more broadly to describe any object or machine that is outdated, ineffective, or in need of replacement. Overall, a clunker is generally considered a substandard or inadequate item that is no longer effective or useful.